Good morning. So you have made it through your 4 days of math morning work, so you're on to the assessment. If you could just do the assessment, make sure you do it independently, and then have an older sibling or parent help you check it because it is going to be for a grade. The first problem, it's already done because I had to stop and start over because I was interrupted by someone, but I already did this one. It's 175 times 65. Just make sure you clean your house and you make your mama happy, and then you add your 2 rows of work together. So the answer is 11,375. On to number 2. Abby and John went to buy fruit. John bought 3/4 a pound of grapes, and Abby bought 4 1/4 pound of oranges. How many pounds of fruit did they buy in total? Whenever you see that in total, you're normally going to add the 2 that they give you. So it's 3/4 a pound plus 4 1/4 a pound. Now, when you're adding, denominators have to be the same, and they have really helped us out here because the denominators are already the same. So just add your numerators. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 over 4, there's no whole number in this one, so just carry over your 4. 4 4/4. Well, we know that anything over itself equals a whole, right? So 4 plus this whole, it would just be 5 pounds, okay? At her restaurant, Yolanda opened 285 cans of tomato sauce. She needs to use 4 cans of sauce for 1 pan of lasagna. How many pans of lasagna could Yolanda make if she used all the cans? Write your answer as a mixed number. All right, so she has 285 total cans, and 4 cans make 1 lasagna, okay? So 4 goes into 28 7 times without going over. 7 times 4 is actually exactly 28. When you subtract, bring down your 5. 4 goes into 5 1 time. 5 minus 4 is 1. So your answer is going to be 71, and then your remainder becomes the numerator, and your divisor is your denominator. So 71 1/4 is your final answer. Number 4, we're just multiplying fractions. You just multiply across. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. 6 can go evenly into 12. So we're going to divide, and you get 1/2. Okay. Now, let me grab another utensil.
What is this for?
1 second, Nolan, I'm recording. Okay, so 3/8 and 1/4. Okay. Our denominator is 8 here. So we need to figure out whether there's 8 columns or 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to shade 3 out of those 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that means there's 4 columns. Let me double check. Yes, there's 4 columns. We're going to shade 3 out of those. 1 second. Write an expression for the calculation 60 divided by 5 added to 11.
I'm not sure.
Okay. 1 second. Let me just help Nolan with one thing. Okay. So. So 60 divided by 5. And then that is going to be added to 11. But you need to have parentheses over that 60 divided by 5. Okay? How many tens are in 7,001? So you're going to take one of the zeros away. How many tens? There's 700 tens in 7,000 ones. Okay. Write 53 thousandths in standard form. There's the THS, so that means you're in the decimals. Tens, hundreds, thousands. They're giving me 53 thousandths. 53. That means I need to add a 0 to hold that place. So it's 0.053. All right, now we're comparing. There's 9 holes here, 9 holes here. Decimal point, decimal point. A 2, a 1. A 2 is bigger than a 1. Okay, and then round 28 to the nearest hole. Remember I said think about money. So if you have this much money, are you closer to having $76 or $77? You're closer to having $76. You would have to go 50 cents or over to be closer to the 77. All right, that is it. Fairly straightforward and easy. I hope you had an adult or an older sibling check it for you. You can email us with your score, and have a great weekend, guys.